this is our Python lessons. So if you want to do Python, please download Python Android 3. Okay. This is the app you can see, PyDroid 3. Okay. When you have started, we'll teach you turtle dot. So from turtle import, because to move the turtle you always use from turtle import. There's another way, but I'll teach you that in the next video, and that will take super time. So this is a socket. Yeah, socket to do it. Then, so today we are going to. So I will show you how to make a square. Square. First, we need to make it forward, so it will make a straight line. You can make it how big you want. Yes. After this is going to come a very tricky thing I'm going to show you. You can put it 100. No, do not put it 1000. Okay, 100. You will see the code. It will do like that. I actually wanted more bigger, so you can try. If you wanted more bigger, you can try it. Okay. Now we need to turn it. We need to turn it left. So we'll use degrees. So left. What we'll do? We need to use the degree. So the diagram, we need to use, so it will twist. So it's 90 degrees. So you'll see it will twist that much, because a circle has 360 degrees. So we need to make a quarter turn. So if you do 360 divided by 4, so it would be 90. So now we follow the repeated steps 4 times, because there are 4 sides. Yeah. When you add 4, this will come. I'll teach you the loops after. This is the turtle video. Not turtle. Loop is a turtle one, but that's the loop one. We are just doing the lightning one. Okay. Need to do it. Oops. Guys, wait. I really need to get my keyboard. Yeah. This is my tab. So, wait. हो गया मम्मा आपने क्यों बोला Okay, so I came back. Let me on the Bluetooth. Okay. Remember not to write in the capitals. Yeah, it's really important. Wait. Do not do the same mistake as me. I forgot to add the left 90. So, there's also a trick. I will show you this. Now first, let's do that. Then copy. That's copied. Then what happened? I did like that. So this is complete. Then we can press this button to see our code. That's how it works. And let's try another shape. Today is so let's try triangle. So we can use any type. So I'm going to make it big. That much. Okay, I'll show you how much. No, I will make the same as last time. No, I will make 100 smaller. So we need to wait. We need to twist it. So it will not work. If we do it like that, it will turn into a square, but with a missing line. So we need to use the degree 120. Yeah, because it's twisting, but a little more. And it's twisting half. It's twisting, but so 30 divided by 3 equals 30. So we added the 30 to the 90, then so we'll add 120. Then we need to copy that step 3 times. So we are going to use the same trick as last time. If you don't want to use that trick, you can use this. Copy. Okay, do not press that. That's for debugging. Yeah, debug. I never have debug in this, so I can't show you this. Okay, let's go on the clipboard. Wait. Okay, I need to do something. I need to fix some code. This now we can debug. Okay, I don't know how to use this. So it has done 2 times. So we do not use like that I did for this. Why? Okay, this is having real big problem. I don't know what's happening. So do not press that button, press this button. Wait. Sorry guys, there's a problem. I don't know why it got 90. So do not copy this. We need to change it to 120. That's like I told you last time in this video. So this is done. So let's play this. Okay. Then let's do 3 shapes today. So I've teach you this. Now let's teach you a rectangle. It's same as square, but a bit different. So we do not make it like that. 300. We'll make it longer. You can make more longer than me, but you can't make it super long. If it goes off the screen, then that would be a problem. You need to smaller it if it goes out of the screen. I normally do it 500. Yes, that's fine. I will not do 500. I'll do 550. There's a reason. Then the same degree will use because it's same the square and the rectangle, but the triangle has 2 squares in it. So we still use the same degree. But now we are going to do forward, but we are not going to add 550 again. We have to add the half because the triangle has long down and short up. So it would be half, 250. Then we need to repeat it 4 times. So I would trick. Okay, if that happens to you, I know I'm going to tell you something. Like this. So this is how I do. I'm doing it like that first time. So not this Python. I already know the Python. So this is Python, not Fuse code. I'll teach you Fuse code. That's not Fuse code. I don't know which language. Now I'm going to teach. It's Vimy. That's just blocks. Okay. I don't know JavaScript yet. When I know JavaScript, I'll teach you. So let's see the results. Like this. Need to be. And if you want some